Okay, we're in downtown Philadelphia. We hear gunshots. We look down the road. We see the police. We're in danger. Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. RV Road Tour edition. We're coming to you from Westchester, Pennsylvania. We're so excited to bring you along on this adventure. First stop, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. So come along as we go to Philadelphia. We actually started our road tour by flying into Philadelphia International Airport this morning, and we're waiting on our hotel shuttle to arrive. It should be here any second. So as I said, we flew into Philadelphia because we're going to go pick up our RV. And so we're going to go pick up our RV. We don't have any transportation. So at the airport, we're able to get the hotel shuttle from the airport to the hotel. But from there, if we're going to have transportation, we've got a couple of options. We can either rent a car, which was really expensive. We actually checked into it. We could call a cab. That's old-fashioned. We could do an Uber, or we could do the Lyft. Those were kind of our major options. We actually ended up doing the Lyft, and this was our first time to do the Lyft.
What?
We don't live in a big city where we are, and we usually have vehicles, so this was an interesting experience to do the Lyft. We have just picked up our RV. First stop, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Okay, so while we were in Philadelphia, we had to go see the Liberty Bell. I mean, you can't be in Philadelphia without seeing the Liberty Bell. So here we are. That's not the real Liberty Bell. That's just a photo. Let's go find the real thing. Come on. We were filming an intro for this video. All of a sudden, we heard gunshots. Okay, we're in downtown Philadelphia. We hear gunshots. We look down the road. We see the police. We're in danger. We are almost there. We must be close. So we get down to the Liberty Bell. We walk in the building, and this building is really nice. It's free to get in. They don't charge you anything. It's completely free. You get in, you have to go through security, so pretend like you're going through the airport. No weapons. Take everything out of your pockets, jackets off, all the rigmarole. You know what you got to go through. Then you get in there, and it is a really nice museum. If you're a history buff, you could spend all day in there. Here it is, right behind me. Let's go see if we can get a closer look. They have officials there in the museum, and they can tell you all about everything. If you have questions, you just ask them. They're standing there. One of the reasons they're standing there is to answer your questions. That's probably the major reason, but they're also making sure you don't jump that rope and touch the bell or do something you're not supposed to. I don't think you're going to steal the bell. It's pretty big, pretty heavy. No, not going to do that. Later on, we're walking down the road. We're heading down the road. We look to our left, and what do we see? Chinatown. And guess what day we're there? We just happened to be there on Chinese New Year. They were shooting off fireworks. We're all excited about gunshots, and it was just fireworks. Well, we had a long walk to go see the Liberty Bell. You can imagine after that walk, I was famished. Philadelphia is famous for food. Reading Terminal Market, here we come. When you're in downtown Philadelphia, you cannot come here without coming to the historic Reading Terminal Market. It's right behind me there. We're going to go inside and see what all they've got. Come on. Give us a big thumbs up like. It really does help the channel. And until next time, we'll see ya.